You don't have to break the bank to build a solid arsenal. Today, we're building a $500 arsenal from brand new firearms. Each of these firearms has their unique strengths, making them excellent choices for anyone looking to stay within a budget. Stand by, y'all. First up is the Mossberg Maverick 88 pump action shotgun. This shotgun is known for its affordability, its reliability, and its versatility. With a sticker price of around $200, it's a fantastic home defense, hunting, and tactical use firearm. The Mossberg Maverick 88 is compatible with Mossberg 500 accessory stocks, barrels, and AccuChoke tubes. In addition to the $200 price tag, one of the great things about the Mossberg Maverick 88 is its ease of use. It is very simple to operate and maintain, making it a great option for beginners. Next up is the Ruger LCP, a cost-effective firearm that is compact and lightweight, chambered in 380 ACP. I have recently seen the Ruger LCP priced at approximately $179. The Ruger LCP is lightweight and slim, making it perfect for a concealed carry. It features a textured glass-filled nylon grip frame, which provides a pretty secure and comfortable grip. The Ruger LCP is equipped with a hardened steel slide. The Ruger LCP has integrated fixed front and rear sights, as you see here. The Ruger LCP is also a hammer-fired firearm, so the hammer is recessed within the slide as well. Check it out. The Ruger LCP comes with two 6-round magazines. It also includes a flush mount magazine finger grip extension floor plate, as you see here. So the Ruger LCP has a smooth trigger pull, and we find that, it is easy to shoot accurately at self-defense distances. At around $179, the Ruger LCP makes an awesome addition to any arsenal. Next, we have one of the most cost-effective firearms, the Rossi RS-22. The Rossi RS-22 is a semi-automatic rifle, chambered in .22 long rifle. I have recently seen the Rossi RS-22 priced at approximately $120. The Rossi RS-22 is an excellent choice for hunting, training, and with proper shot placement and volume, it could be a pretty formidable self-defense tool. The Rossi RS-22 is equipped with a comfortable and ergonomic black polymer stock. It features a floating barrel, and it has a pretty exceptional trigger. It comes with a 10-round magazine, although 25-round magazines are readily available. This particular model comes with a rear green fiber optic sight, as you see here. It's fully adjustable, and it has a orange hooded front fiber optic sight, as you see here. Priced at approximately $120, the Rossi RS22 will make an awesome addition to any arsenal. So that is my $500 budget arsenal. Each of these affordable firearms serves a unique purpose, providing versatility, whether you're looking for home defense, personal protection, or just a fun day at the range.